Okay, so let's look at the different components of an email. First, we have our subject line. This should be short and draw attention to your email. You're trying to engage the customer enough that they want to open the email. This is setting the expectation for the contents of the email. If you're promoting a new feature, say something like that. If you're telling everyone that things are going on sale, probably should mention it there. Next, we have the content. The content is the main piece of the email. It's likely to contain some combination of text and images, depending on your chosen layout. You're going to want to find the right layout and the right type of content to achieve your goals for each particular email. And this is where your messaging is showcased. So be sure to use a consistent tone. Then we have our call to action. This should mirror the goal of the email. All of your email components should lead to this call to action that you want your readers to take. So what is it that you really want your readers to do or to get out of this email? Then we have the from name. So who is this email from? Is it Abarkment support, or is it the Abarkment team, or is it Lauren, the Abarkment COO? What do you think is going to connect with your users? And what supports the goal of the email? For example, if this is an email about a new feature or business channel we're going into, maybe the email should come from the CEO or the director of product. If it's about some type of customer support, maybe it should come from the support team or a particular member of the support team. And finally, the from address. This is the email that's displayed to the receiver when they receive the email. You'll want to send your emails from a consistent address that aligns with the purpose of the email. Before you choose your from address, make sure to take into account the goals of the email and the general tone you're trying to set. If this is a more personal email, maybe it should come from lauren@abarkment.com instead of abarkment.support.do-not-respond@abarkment.com. You have options. Now, when sending your emails, you can send a regular old email from Gmail or something like that, or you can choose an email platform, which most growing companies choose to do. These platforms will vary depending on the needs of the company. So when deciding on an email platform, you'll want to consider the volume of emails you're sending, the cost, and features like automation and segmentation. There are a few different platforms out there that are great if you're just getting started that are pretty cost effective, like SendGrid, HubSpot, MailChimp. And then there are also more robust platforms that have built-in automation, advanced segmentation, and lifecycle emails, like Marketo, Responses, and ExactTarget. Let's go to Greg to see what he has to say about email marketing.